Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. So, my landlords, this is the teaser for Umkhokha the Curse for the month of February 2025. Also, a reminder, this is a season finale and Umkhokha the Curse is ending this month. So, here we go. Monday, the 3rd of February. What happens in the dark will come to light. Gabisile's confession leads to tragic consequences. Lwazi gives Maximba a piece of his mind and Sibusiso is excited about new beginnings. Tuesday, the 4th of February 2025. Where is Mzobe's grave? A sudden death shakes the Mthembu family just as they desperately trying to learn the location of Mzobe's grave. Mam Zobe speaks over her unconscious husband, praying hard that he forgets what he was told. Meanwhile, Sibusiso confesses to an elder that his heart has been stolen. Wednesday, the 5th of February. Shattered picture. Skhumba's anger drives him to hurl serious accusations against Mabusi and Spamandla. Lwazi has some questions that Gabisile cannot bring herself to answer. Thursday, the 6th of February. Accusations and counter-accusations. Mabusi makes an accusation of attempted murder. Council thinks there is a foul play in Tifa stabbing. Lwazi pines for a lost love. Maximba suggests he makes lemonade from the lemon. Friday, the 7th of February. Mthembu's killer. Mam Zobe's deadly secret about Mthembu comes back to haunt her. Skhumba drives a chilling warning to Manzimande and Siphamandla. Meanwhile, Lwazi brings thoughtful gifts to a pregnant young lady to uplift her spirit. Monday, the 10th of February. The bitter truth. Gabisile finally frees herself from all the secret she's been harboring. The Mthembus are shocked by the results of the autopsy and Mazungu shares a piece of information with Maphalala that leaves him taken aback. Tuesday, the 11th of February. Lies have short legs. Gabisile confesses about what Mam Zobe made her do. Lwazi stands up for Gabi. Mam Zobe is ready to make a run for it to avoid punishment. Wednesday, the 12th of February. Konke okufihliwe kuyovela obala. The Mthembu family faces a shocking revelation that will change their lives forever. Gabisile's world crumbles as her darkest secret is exposed. And in the shadows, prophets foresee a catastrophic destiny unfolding. Thursday, the 13th of February. Nothing but the truth. The Mthembu's world is turned upside down, while Mam Zobe and Gabisile battle with their past and a husband does the unthinkable. Friday, the 14th of February. Let dead Mzobe's lie. Mthembu appears to Mabusi with a warning regarding the search of Mzobe's body. Gabisile, weighed down by guilt, questions her place in the family, while a fiery confrontation between Mazungu and Mam Zobe erupts. Monday, the 17th of February. The end is near. After Siphamandla resolves to holding fires with Mam Zobe's case, Manzimande questions his commitment to attempt to the issues and calls for deadliest punishment. Tuesday, the 18th of February. A life for a life. A ruthless murderer journey is set to come to an end. A young woman, burdened by her evil ways, pleads for forgiveness. A gunman versus Umkhululi, who will win? The end is near. Siphamandla and Mabusi deny themselves all logic and do whatever they can to locate Mzobe's body rather. Meanwhile, back at home, Mam Zobe's grave is prepared. Thursday, the 20th of February. Final goodbyes. Mam Zobe sees what's going to happen to her in a dream and begins preparing herself. Gabisila struggles to let her mother go like this, while Manzimande insists that the punishment goes ahead. Skumba attempts to avenge his father. Friday the 21st of February. Doomsday. It's doomsday for Mamzobe. Spamandla's faith heals the masses, but danger lurks in the shadows. Sibusiso makes a life-altering decision. Monday the 24th of February. Breakthroughs and bondages. Through stubbornness mixed with tenacity, Mabusi is finally able to become a hero. A loving father compromises himself for the love of his family. Tuesday, the 25th of February 2025, the end of an era. Eganghu Manzimande hunts down her husband's killer. Kamadondo has a tough decision to make about Sibahle's future. Mamzobe feels the lashes whipped on Mzobe's body. Wednesday, the 26th of February. Open this door. Mamzobe is faced with a painful decision. Will Mamzobe be swayed? Will Manzimande be swayed, rather? A conflicted father has to overcome many obstacles in order to achieve his mission. Thursday, the 27th of February. To err is human, to forgive is divine. Manzimande gives Mamzobe a taste of her own poison. Difa is exposed for lying to the church. Ndlovu has no power to stop Sibahle's lobola. Friday the 28th of February, episode 260, To the Bitter End, series finale. The Mtembus and Kumetes bury the hatchet and have a reconciliation lunch, but their enemy number one returns to shatter everything, and Sibahle's lobola day goes well until Ndlovu happens. This is the sad part. As you probably know, Umkoka has been cancelled and won't be continuing for season 3. Mzansi Magic hasn't confirmed what's replacing it yet. We'll update you when they do. This is sad news for us. This is sad news for the landlords, because you guys know we thrived with Umkoka the Curse. Even though we had upside downs, my channel is not yet monetized and I'm still struggling, but we all loved Umkoka and we enjoyed it together. With these words, I'm saying goodbye, and I'm hoping that another series will pop up that you and me, landlords, we will love and enjoy to watch together. I will truly, 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 truly miss the engagement that we had throughout Umkoka the Curse, and hoping that whatever comes to replace it will also bring us joy and engagement. I hope to be back very soon, still resolving my issues with my account. I love you. May you be blessed and see you soon. Bye.